Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by stabilizing the diary immediately. Handle it with clean white gloves to avoid oils. Once you have a flat, well-lit surface, gently brush loose dust from edges and spine with a soft brush. Make sure to document binding style and any tears or mold with quick photos so you know priorities. If pages stick, do not force them. Instead, set the diary aside and let it relax for 10-20 minutes in a dry room before proceeding. You now clean and conserve pages methodically. Turn each page slowly from the inner fold while supporting the spine with your other hand. Once done, interleave archival tissue between any damp or sticky sheets to prevent transfers, and never use household tape or adhesives which cause damage. For minor creases, place lightweight blotter and a flat weight for 24 to 48 hours. This evens pages without stressing the binding. Make sure to keep a record of every finish by protecting the diary for long-term use. Place it upright in an acid-free archival box, keep it away from direct sunlight and fluctuating humidity, and label the box clearly. Once done, if you spot mold or a musty smell, isolate the diary immediately and avoid inhaling spores. Lightly surface clean only with a HEPA-filtered vacuum or consult a conservator for extensive contamination. Make sure to record storage location and any future handling recommendations so the diary stays safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.